Hello everyone, in today's Excel Basics lesson, I want to introduce the very useful filter function to everyone. In the previous video we talked about sort. We know sorting takes a group of unsorted data and arranges it by numeric value, alphabetical order, etc. So what is filter? Filter means Excel will display data that meets the criteria you set, and hide data that doesn't meet the criteria, allowing us to analyze data more efficiently. Okay, if I want to apply the filter function to a table today, first I need to click any cell in the table, then go to the ribbon above and click Sort and Filter. Then select Filter. Now you'll see many buttons with arrow symbols appear in the header row. Each button can be used to filter data in that column. For example, if I want to find products in this table where category is produce, I can click the filter button for the category column. And in the menu and check select all, then check produce that I want to show, then click OK. If in addition to produce, I also want to show dairy, I can reopen the filter dialog and check dairy as well. The power of filter is you can apply complex filters across multiple columns. For example, from the current filter results I also want to find the delivery channel. I can similarly open the filter dialog for the shop column and check delivery, so I can clearly see which data meets my criteria. Filter criteria can be removed anytime. You just need to open the dialog and click Clear Filter from Shop, and that column will revert to original state. If you want to reset the entire table, you can click Sort and Filter in the ribbon and click Clear to remove all filters, or directly click Filter in the menu to turn off this function. When filtering textual data, Excel also provides some fuzzy matching functions. For example, if I want to find all sales reps with name starts with a today, I can open the filter dialog for the sales rep column, click Text Filters, then select Begins with. For names this refers to the begins name, then in the dialog enter, and click OK to find the data we need. Excel's filter also provides sort functionality. So for English text we can sort by alphabetical order least to greatest or greatest to least. For number type columns, you can also sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Additionally, number data has number filters functions, like finding values above average, values between a certain range, between $10 $100. If you want to find the transactions with the highest amounts, you can clear filter, and in number filters, if I enter 5 in the middle field, then it will filter the 5 transactions with the highest amounts. For date type data, Excel also provides date-specific filter criteria. For example, we can query for data before a certain date. In the dialog you can click the calendar button to specify the date, then click OK. We can also query for last month's data, or this quarter's data, etc. Finally, let's look at an interesting color filter function. To test this function, you can hold the CT or Alt key and first select some cells you want to color. Then in the ribbon apply your desired color. You can repeat this to apply different colors to other cells to represent different data importance. Then later, if you want to sort by color, you can open the filter dialog, click Sort by Color, then click Custom Sort. Here I want to put the red data first, so I set Sort onto cell color and apply red. Then I click Add Level in the top left corner and repeat previous steps to specify yellow data as second priority, and finally green data as third priority. After clicking OK, we can see the sorted result. If you only want to show cells of a certain color, you can click Filter by Color in the menu. Then select the color you want. Okay, that concludes our introduction to Filter today. See you next time. Bye.